Let's start Lesson 2 with a quick recap of the words and phrases we learnt in Lesson 1. How do you say in French, absolutely? Absolument. It isn't. Ce n'est pas. Good. Bon. Fantastic. Fantastique. Very. Très. It is. C'est. Here. Ici. Now here's your first word in French for this lesson. Délicieux. Délicieux. It means delicious. Délicieux. And did you notice there's another one of those accents on top of the first E in délicieux? This one is similar to the one that we saw in très, but it's facing the other way round. You'll see how in délicieux it points up and in très it points down. The accent that points up is called an acute accent, and the accent that points down is called a grave accent. It doesn't really make much difference what they're called, but I always think it's nice to know. The accents don't really do a lot. There's a tiny difference between how you pronounce each one, but it's so minor, it's hardly worth bothering about. However, I'll just show you so you know. The letter E with an acute accent on top should be pronounced like the vowel sound in the English word pay, but without the Y. So the vowel sound in pay without the Y is A. A. So the E with an acute accent is A. The letter E with a grave accent should be pronounced like the E in the English word fed, so it's E. E. So you'll hear the difference is A. E. A. E. It's a very minor difference, and it's so tiny I wouldn't even bother worrying about it. So anyway, délicieux, délicieux means delicious. So how would you say in French, it is delicious? C'est délicieux. C'est délicieux. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.